Tips in establishing a homeschool reading program. Reading is among one of the most standard topics that a kid must occupy throughout the very early years of growth. This topic is consequently essential in producing a homeschooling program for your kid. A great reading program for homeschool is critical in establishing your children's brain power and also school efficiency. The versatility in timetable, and also circulation, that homeschools deal supply a great deal of advantages for kids. Contrasted to the conventional setup, a homeschool program can tailor-fit the lessons according to the capacities as well as understanding of the kid. Within reading program, a homeschool teacher or a parent can miss lessons that the kid has actually currently understood, like the alphabet, as well as concentrate speed on elements that the kid has not yet totally learned. One more benefit that a homeschool reading program supply is the truth that students can learn at their very own speed without bothering with being left in the course or staying on par with the speed of others. One need to keep in mind that in a lesson strategy, there are areas that will certainly be less complicated to find out for some children, however harder for the others. One more element of a homeschool reading program that parents must integrate speed right into their own is associating the lessons with sensible tasks and also experiences in day-to-day life. This suggests that learning must not just include reading books and also stating pronunciations, however, need to likewise include situational, as well as functional experiences such as speaking with individuals, offering a suggestion, asking concerns, as well as also thinking or saying. One can additionally include reading of discussions with making use of various voices and articulations. Children will certainly not just gain from this task, they will certainly additionally have a good time. One of the disadvantages of a homeschooling program is the fact that it de-emphasizes the social component of learning. Parents as well as teachers of the homeschooling program can supplement this by developing tasks for your children that will certainly subject them to other individuals. One can arrange a little phase play where children can read their lines as well as act their component. This is a great way to develop their social abilities, and also at the very same time, offer them with a chance to exercise the abilities that they have actually created in their reading program. This is not always a component of the educational program in many schools. It is likewise great to motivate your kid to read books, or to establish a love for reading. Whether it be books, comics, or also publications. This is the most effective means for them to totally establish their reading abilities along with construct their vocabulary. There is a super simple and extremely effective system that will even teach 2- and 3-year-old children to read. This is a unique reading program developed by a loving parent and English teacher of 14 years, who successfully taught all of her children to read before turning 3 years old. The reading system she developed is so effective that by the time her daughter was just 4 years old, she was already reading at a grade 3 level. She has a video to prove it. Click on the very first link in the description to watch the entire video.